We have a video to show you. Now with details, suspects shoot people. There have to be anyone dead to go spend his entire life behind bars. Since 10 people survive, he's not going to prison for his life. When he shot a person, that will be ill. Since he shot 10 people, he's spending 10 years behind bars. And now on video camera. Right now, a driver pull up in a car wash. Right here, and starting to shot fire. We don't have no evidence, but the suspect is completely injured. This is the car wash restaurant. We do know has some details. But this is actually scary. Actually, nightmare. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then he took off. He was about to commit a 911, but he was stopped by the police.